Welcome to Park Meadows, where you have a rare opportunity to own a brand new townhome near Matthews in the low 200s. With 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, you will find your townhome at Park Meadows gives you the space and functionality of a single-family home in an ideal Union County location. It even includes your own garage. You'll love entertaining your family and friends in this amazing kitchen. You'll get to choose the interior finishes you love, including granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Are you tired of mowing your lawn? Now with maintenance-free lawn care, you'll never spend your free time mowing again. Park Meadows features a gazebo and a fire pit, giving you an ideal spot to get to know your neighbors and a chance to relax. When you want to head out, your nearby options are endless. I-485, Providence Road, and downtown Matthews are all just minutes away. I'm Carrie, and I'd like to invite you out for a personal tour of Park Meadows. I'll see you soon!